My favorite part was when we finally got to see the CX-50 completely assembled. You could just feel the excitement, feel the pride as we all walked in there.
I'm gonna get one, I know that, so I'm super excited about this car.
People are gonna be driving a car that I put my hands on. It's really exciting to know that.
A lot of labor, sweat, and commitment went into setting up the line, and now we get to see the final product.
It's really been amazing. When I started, this was an agricultural field, and we were doing site work at that time.
They took the good that came out of some of the plants and brought it over here, but then we also took some new innovations and brought it to this plant, and that's what makes it the best manufacturing plant here for Mazda and Toyota.
The best thing about MTM right now is the culture that we're building.
First time working in this kind of industry, this is a first, and I think it's awesome, and I'm just glad to be part of it.
I really like the Mendomi spirit that's here, and I've seen it numerous times since I've been here. And for me, it's really just the caring nature of everyone.
I can't really emphasize the significance of really being able to build a plant, install equipment, hire 2,600 team members, get everybody trained up and capable and ready.
Our department, paint department, as well as the whole entire factory, we are safe, we care about people as individuals.
I've not been disappointed, and I'm looking forward to building more cars and more models in the future.
Our plant, there's a lot of life and there's a lot of excitement that's going on, and we're not just building cars.